Abu Dhabi National Oil Company, ADNOC, subsidiary, ADNOC Logistics and Services, L&S, has announced the awarding of contracts worth $2.5 billion to several leading Asian shipyards. This move is part of ADNOC's ambitious plans to expand its LNG carrier fleet, catering to the growing demand for liquefied natural gas globally. The contracts, which were primarily awarded to shipbuilding giants in South Korea, including Samsung Heavy Industries, aim to bolster ADNOC's logistics capabilities. Samsung Heavy Industries secured a significant portion of these contracts, amounting to approximately $1 billion, for the construction of 4 new LNG carriers. These vessels will play a crucial role in ADNOC's strategy to enhance its capacity in transporting LNG to global markets efficiently. ADNOC's decision to invest heavily in expanding its LNG fleet underscores its commitment to strengthening its position as a key player in the global energy market. The UAE-based company has been actively pursuing opportunities to capitalize on the increasing demand for cleaner energy sources, such as natural gas, amidst a global push towards sustainable energy solutions. In addition to the LNG carrier fleet expansion, ADNOC is also focusing on other strategic initiatives, including the development of green hydrogen projects. Recently, ADNOC announced plans to export green hydrogen to Egypt, marking a significant step towards establishing itself as a leader in the energy transition space. The contracts awarded to Asian shipyards not only signify ADNOC's confidence in their capabilities but also highlight the strategic partnerships being forged to support the UAE's vision for sustainable economic growth. These partnerships are crucial as ADNOC continues to navigate the evolving dynamics of the global energy landscape, driven by technological advancements and environmental considerations. With these developments, ADNOC is poised to play a pivotal role in meeting the world's increasing energy demands while advancing its commitment to sustainability and innovation in the maritime sector.